Running an MSME business is already difficult. Tight margins, strict timelines, and constant pressure from customers. But many businesses unknowingly lose 20 to 30% of logistic cost extra every month because of doing simple mistakes while booking their trucks. These mistakes look harmless, but they slowly increase transportation costs, delay in shipments, and affect cash flow. Here are 5 most common mistakes you do. First is booking trucks without understanding the correct vehicle type. Many MSMEs book trucks based only on price and not suitability. This leads to overloading penalty, wrong body type selection, and damaged goods. Choosing the wrong truck often results in claims, delays, and unexpected fines. For example, a check was conducted in Noida where officials caught 13 trucks for carrying extra load. They collected a toll fine of 8.8 lakhs from the truck drivers. Officials also said that overloading is a serious offense. If a truck carries more weight than allowed, there is a fine of 20,000 rupees plus 2,000 for every extra ton. The truck can be seized and the vehicle permit can be cancelled. Second problem is not generating a proper e-waybill. Many MSMEs still rely only on driver contact or vehicle number. But without an e-waybill, there is no legal protection. If goods are lost or damaged, GST compliance issues and penalties. The e-waybill is a primary legal proof for goods movement. Skipping that is a risk. We have already posted a detailed video about the importance of e-waybill. Please check it out. To explain it to you with an example, a business owner from a lighting company from Pune said, "We shifted from PTL to FTL to simplify our transport. But since we did not mention the correct value of our goods in the e-waybill, our truck was stopped at the checkpost overnight, which caused delivery delays and also losses." Third is not securing goods properly before dispatch. Many MSMEs leave the loading and unloading work on the transporter or actually plan everything at the last time. Because of this, the goods are not properly secured, which leads to breakage, shifting during travel, moisture damage, or crushed items. In many cases, bad packaging causes more loss than actual transport cost. We all saw a tragic incident in Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. For this, we can take example of Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, the tragic bus fire. Investigators found out that the private bus was illegally carrying a shipment of 234 cell phones. That too in the luggage area under the seats. When the fire started, the lithium batteries exploded and made the fire much worse, resulting in many deaths. This incident shows how not securing cargoes properly from packing to loading to transport can not only lead to financial losses but also loss of life. Fourth is not checking permit requirements for interstate loads. States have different entry permits, timing rules, and special permissions for chemical and minerals. If a truck enters without correct permits, it faces detention, challans, 24 hours to 70 hours halt. Most MSMEs are unaware of these requirements. The Motor Vehicle Department in Kochi caught 46 national permit lorries which were registered in other states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and were only taking local trips in Kerala. This is against the transport rule. The trucks were detained and released only after paying 5,000 fine and 17,000 of fine for quarterly road tax. The department collected around 10 lakh rupees. For any MSME using such truck, this kind of violation could lead to vehicle being stopped for a long time and also causing delivery delays. Fifth one is very important, not insuring the goods. One accident, fire, theft during your transportation could cause a huge loss for any MSME. Many MSMEs skip transit insurance because they think it's not needed. But transporters are legally responsible for only small part of your loss. Transit insurance usually costs less than 0.25% from your invoice value, but it protects the business 100%. A container truck transporting from Noida to Bihar caught fire on the Ita Aligarh National Highway near Amritpur village in Hathras district. Over 150 refrigerators and other items were destroyed, leading to loss of several lakh rupees. It can happen to any MSME who ship their goods by road. Booking trucks without proper verification. Many MSMEs book trucks from Just Dial, IndiaMart or WhatsApp groups without verifying if the transporter is genuine. Fraudsters use fake visiting card, fake GST number, or random mobile numbers and stolen truck photos to scam you. If you book such trucks, they will pick up your goods and disappear. This is why shippers prefer trusted platforms like FR8, which have been operating for more than 10 years, have thousands of verified reviews, long-term fleet partners, and complete verification of RC, insurance, and driver details. The simple advice which I will give you is never book a truck just because the rate is low. Always book transporters who have 5 to 10 years of proven track records. Verify them with documents, see their reviews, and also check if they have GST enabled vehicles. Recent example which happened was Agra police who busted a cyber criminal gang who created fake documents, created fake profiles in Just Dial, spent a lot of money to make their profile rank, and also used to book trucks through online platforms, get the advance in them, and then just disappear. Their strategy was very simple: offer very cheap rates, demand for advance payment, and then just vanish. Big lessons for MSMEs are these 6 mistakes: overloading your truck, not preparing proper documents, poor or unsafe packaging, using trucks without valid permits, skipping transit insurance. Very important is trusting fake and unverified transporters, trying to save money in logistics, but without proper checks, your expected profits can turn into a major loss. For MSME, verification, documentation, transit insurance are essential. Protection against your business failure and heavy financial damage. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.